Hello and welcome to Math 123, Spring 22, 16-week edition. I am your lovely instructor, Becky. I was not prepared for the class to be live today, which is why I'm a little behind, and that's fine. That's how I run most of my life. So my intro video, here I am. I am a math specialist for Wiley Publishing. My main day-to-day job is basically a faculty consultation type role where I help build content within Newton Alta software, and then I work with our sales and marketing team to help sell the platform to colleges and math faculty across the country, and into Canada and into Europe. And I do presentations. I then, once a faculty says, yeah, I will use that, I help them build their course, implement their course, and all of that. I was at Ivy Tech full-time for about 6 years as a department chair in Fort Wayne and Warsaw. Worked closely with South Bend, which is why I am an adjunct there now. Math is basically my passion. I'm a huge math geek. Yeah, I'm a big sports fan. It's football season, so I got my 49er hat on. I'm from Ohio, so I'm a huge Ohio State fan. But really, I'm a baseball nut. Can't wait for baseball season. A huge Yankee fan. I love to travel. My partner and I travel quite a bit. I will have a fun trip, vacation during the semester. And then I also travel for work when COVID isn't happening. So travel for work right now is a little low. If that changes, we'll adjust as we go. But I'm looking forward to seeing you virtually on Tuesday nights from 7 to 8:50 Eastern Standard Time. So everything in this class is on Eastern Standard Time. I am located in Indianapolis. I live downtown with my partner, 2 dogs, and her 2 kids. So the 6 of us are together the majority of the time. So good times, good times. I hope you all have a great semester. If you need anything, this is why I'm here. And look forward to a great, fun, exciting mathematical spring 22. Thanks.